Good day everyone, we're here again at my channel. Actually, this is the second take. Namatay kanina yung camera. And I just want to greet everyone. Hello, kamusta kayo dyan? It's been a while. Kung kapansin nyo guys, I was totally busy for the past few months. I apologize for not posting any videos. Actually, yung mga videos na na-post ko, mga nakaschedule na yun for a long time ago. As for now, wala pa talaga akong bagong video. But as you can see, this past November, yata up until this early February, sobrang busy talaga ng schedule. And to be honest with you guys, siguro nagkaroon kasi ako ng diversion na rin na attention na it's not like I'm always doing YouTube and stuff. Ayun, nag-enjoy ako na nakabili ako ng new na bagong motor, tapos naubos dun yung time ko. At the same time, this past Christmas nga pala, nasabi ko na dapat I will do a giveaway, kaya lang hindi ko na rin nagawa dahil sobrang busy. And then meron pa rin yung mga mga kakolab ko dapat, hindi ko na rin nagawa yung video. Pasensya na sa inyo guys. Actually, this announcement is just to tell you about stuff that happened way back, kaya hindi ako nakapag-video. And for me, siguro this will be my last year, I think, na to make siguro yung tuloy-tuloy na video. Pero kasi nakakapagod actually. Hindi siya easy to work at the same time, kasi I am a performer, an event violinist, tapos isasabay mo sa paggawa ng video. It's not easy. Tapos ngayon, ang dami ko na rin ginagawa, like riding. Siguro I won't be so specific about it, pero if it doesn't work this year, I think lesser na yung pagpo-post ko ng contents and covers. Pero this year, ganun pa rin siguro. I'll try my best to be as active as I can. Nakakapagod lang talaga. Nakakapagod na may iisipin ka pa during those times na sana ipahinga mo na lang or gumawa ng ibang bagay bukod sa pag-content or bukod sa music. Parang those past few months na hindi ako masyado nakapag-content, it's like a realization for me na to try something else, something like that. Parang ganun. And I don't think it's a bad thing for me. Mas na-explore ko yung sarili ko and the world itself. Kasi talaga ako, studio person lang ako. I don't really go outside. Pero ngayong nakakapag-travel na ako around Cavite, around Batangas, mas na-enjoy ko na yung paglabas-labas. And as for now, ayun, kasali na ako sa mga groups ng riders. I find it more interesting than staying here. Pero I don't know. I'll try to be as active as I can. Ganun na lang muna. And then at the same time, yung mga collabs ko, yung mga backlogs ko, I'll try to finish it up. Pasensya na guys, super busy talaga. And syempre ayoko naman na half-baked yung mga contents na ilalabas natin or videos. I see to it na hindi lang din ako makarecover sa pagod siguro. Tapos for the past few months, ayun pa, nagkaroon ako ng minor, hindi naman accident, but parang minor injury here at my wrist, dito sa right. Actually, ito yung pambo ko. So, hindi ko maituwid yung pagbobo ko. Sinasama ko yung elbow ko. Dinadaya ko na lang. Pero, ang hirap mag-violin ng masakit yung wrist. Dahil hindi ka nga makapag-bow ng tama. Ang hirap. But, as for now, I'm recovering. Medyo okay na siya actually. Ayan, wala na nga yung hindi ko na siya nilalagyan ng salompas, and parang kinda it's 90% okay kasi nangyari siya last early February. And yun, masakit talaga, pero medyo ngayon okay na. Yun lang guys, hope you still support my channel. Thank you so much sa I think 600 na nadagdag sa channel ko for the past year. Yun lang nakita ko dumami yung natin, followers from I think other countries, kasi hindi talaga ako masyado nagko-cover din ng ng OPM, more on games and stuff yung kino-cover ko, o games and anime OST. Pero thank you dahil nandiyan kayo and nakasupport. I still try to make contents for you guys, lalo din sa mga patuloy na nanonood sa akin. I'm still working for it. And usually naman yung mga circle ko naman dyan, mga musician din. So thank you so much. Hope you still support my channel. Yun lang. And ayun pala, I'm planning to buy new violin for this year. Sana mas maganda yung ma-provide nating music for the covers, for the upcoming covers and stuff. Pero matagal-tagal pa kasi. And it's not easy to decide kung anong klaseng violin kasi mahal yung mga electric violins na ini-import dito. Yun lang. So what to expect for this year? I think I'll try to think new inspirations about my content. Yun lang. And yeah. Thank you so much. Yun lang muna. Hindi na ako sanay din magsalita sa camera. And yeah, I'm sorry. I'm still adjusting my thing here. Hindi na ako sanay na tumingin nga din sa camera kasi I don't know, it's been a long time for me. Thank you so much. Yun lang. And see you on my next video.